One of the things that HORSCH does a particularly good job of is building frames that are really strong but not overly heavy. Traditionally, in Australian farming, the approach has been to overbuild equipment, fearing that without over-engineering, our conditions would present challenges for the equipment. And while in some instances this has been true, the extra weight involved in over-engineering results in a drop of fuel efficiency. HORSCH builds frames using the latest engineering science. One analogy is the airliner industry. If you get onto a Dreamliner, the most sophisticated craft today, and given its size, it is probably the lightest. It is in fact stronger the way it has been designed and built. The concept is better fuel efficiency, using composite products to enable higher altitudes and higher humidity. Back on Earth, if some equipment was built using the traditional approach, for older style bars and drills, they would never get off the ground. Today, leaders must be sophisticated in design, just like the aeronautical industry. That is just one of the things HORSCH does a tremendous job of. Historically, equipment has been imported to Australia and has failed to stand the test of Australian conditions. Times have changed, however. Engineering has moved on. Equipment now may not look strong, but it is strong enough. An example is the HORSCH Tiger. The Tiger can withstand incredible abuse and harsh conditions. Farmers testify to their amazement how the equipment holds together. Like the old saying, build a house on rocks or sand. What it's about is the solid foundation of the equipment.